Hi guys, this is my Verde Cadet 2011. Overall, it's a pretty good bike. Besides the forks are really bad. And I'm going to go ahead and right now and show you the parts of my bike. So let's get started with the Verde frame, Verde stock wheel, stock back wheel. I have Shadow Conspiracy pegs. I have Animal Edwin grips, flangeless, the Animal bar ends. I have the stock Verde brake cable. The brakes are really annoying to put on this bike because they are really bad. Like, I kept tweaking them. And these are my demolition pedals. They are very nice. They have a lot of traction. This is my nice Verde stem. It is front load stem. This is my animal stripe seat with a pivotal post. I don't know if you guys can get an angle on that, but yeah, right there, the pivotal. Stock Verde seat clamp. Stock Verde cranks. The cranks are alright. They're not that great. My gearing is 25 tooth in the front, 9 tooth in the back. If you're thinking about getting this bike, it's pretty good for beginners, but I recommend it to people who like it, who like the Verde company. It's a really lightweight bike, 25 pounds. Leave comments and questions for me, and I'll probably put a little video of me riding. Thanks.